Ever wished your phone could read documents aloud like an audiobook? Imagine being able to listen to your important documents, emails, or even your favorite articles while you're on the go. Whether it's a PDF, Word document, web page, or even notes, you can turn your phone into a personal narrator in just a few taps. Stay tuned as we show you how to do it on both iPhone and Android. Whether you're an iPhone enthusiast or an Android aficionado, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the specifics for each platform, starting with iPhones. Let's start with iPhones. Apple has built-in features that let your phone read anything aloud. These features are designed to make your life easier, especially if you have visual impairments or just prefer listening over reading. Method 1. Speak Screen. Go to Settings, Accessibility, tap Spoken Content, enable Speak Screen. This feature allows your iPhone to read the content of your screen aloud with a simple gesture. Now open any document and swipe down with 2 fingers from the top. Method 2. VoiceOver. VoiceOver is another powerful tool that not only reads text but also helps you navigate your phone. Go to Settings, Accessibility, VoiceOver. Turn it on and your phone will read everything on screen. VoiceOver is especially useful for those who need a comprehensive screen reader that can handle more than just text. VoiceOver is great for navigating emails, messages, and even ebooks. Imagine being able to listen to your favorite ebooks while you're cooking, cleaning, or even working out. Now, for Android users, there are 2 powerful ways to make your phone read aloud. Android offers robust text-to-speech options that can transform your reading experience. Method 1. Select to speak. Go to Settings, Accessibility. Tap Select to speak and turn it on. This feature allows you to select specific text to be read aloud, giving you control over what you hear. Open any document, tap the Accessibility button, and select text to hear it read aloud. This is perfect for when you need to focus on specific sections of a document. Method 2. Google Assistant. Open Google Assistant. Google Assistant is a versatile tool that can do much more than just read text. Say, read this page if you're on a web page, or read aloud for documents. Google Assistant will highlight the text and read it aloud with natural voice. The natural voice feature makes it feel like you're listening to a real person, enhancing your overall experience. This is perfect for multitasking, learning on the go, or helping with accessibility. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or just relaxing, these features can make your life easier. Want even more control over how your phone reads documents? Try these free apps. These apps offer additional features and customization options that can enhance your reading experience. Read Aloud works with PDFs, EPUBs, and even web pages. This app is perfect for those who need a versatile tool that can handle various types of documents. Voice Aloud Reader lets you adjust speed, pitch, and voice. Customizing these settings can make the listening experience more enjoyable and tailored to your preferences. Speech Central perfect for converting text into audio files. These audio files can be saved and listened to later, making it convenient for offline use. Apps offer customization, offline reading, and even text-to-audio file conversion. This means you can listen to your documents anytime, anywhere, without needing an internet connection. And that's how you can make any document read aloud on your phone. Whether you use built-in settings or third-party apps, turning your phone into a personal narrator has never been easier. Which method do you like best? Drop a comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.